You see, the underdog story is the realest story there is. Because when you come from nothing, you appreciate everything. You hustle different, you love different, and you lead different. So today, I want you to do 3 things. Stay humble. Never forget where you came from. Stay hungry. Keep that fire in your soul.
To be an underdog is to have nobody believe in you. But you work so hard that people have no choice but to believe in you. In the word impossible is possible. Underdogs, they don't get respect. They earn respect and therefore get respected for life. In the word impossible is possible.
That if you're an underdog, man, the beauty of being someone who has to go through struggle, the beauty, because you get that. If there's no struggle, that's the thing. If there's no struggle, then it's nothing. There's no journey. There's no journey. You know, you get to make that magic, man. You get to be the story.
Yes, I'm gon' keep going. 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 Yeah, you need some prayer, we pushing the peak. I don't got time for too many things. Real shot of God, but came out the streets. Born on the south, but raised on the east. I know my God, supply on my knees. Put down a gun and fight on my knees. I'm having fun while serving the king. I made it out of the storm. Ain't no me, Kid Rock. Young church boy on top. Up no astronaut. Burn my down my squad. Every time boy you can't touch. Had to cut them all, can't trust. Back of my bag, my duff. You cannot stop my hustle. Yeah, we up now, I told you. Yeah, they know now we chose. BVS diamonds, they see that I'm ballin'. I'm feeling just like I'm the road. I'm in the zone and I'm catching a 5. Better pass me the ball when I'm open. Life in the game, all the stuff going on. I ain't got no more time to be joking. Working hard, ain't no breaks. Where I come from ain't safe. Yeah, look God, okay. Yeah, look God, okay. A1 sauce on my steak. No, we ain't good, we great. In the booth, staying up late. I cannot bend nor break. Yes, I'm gon' keep going. 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 Yeah, you need some prayer, we pushing the peak. I don't got time for too many things. Real shot of God, but came out the streets. Born on the south, but raised on the east. I know my God, supply on my knees. Put down a gun and fight on my knees. I'm having fun while serving the king. I made it out of the storm.
Yeah, I made it out of the storm. Shout out God fam for putting me on. I knew my purpose the day I was born. Get out my seat, thanks for keeping it warm. This game is for taking, cause it's way too much faking. It's way too much. Yeah, been waiting my turn, but I'm losing my patience. Yeah, I trust my creator, that's why I'm creating. I'm just doing me, homie, why is you hating? Been cooking for years, but I just started baking. These overnight riches took years in the making. Gotta keep going, don't stop. Dripping on the stage, no more. Hopping out the brand new drop. Shut them down, open up shop. You reach your limit, I'm pushing it farther. I know my daddy, I'm good with the father. All of these demons, they keep getting slaughtered. I jumped out the mud.